Here's how to see someone's last online status in Roblox. Roblox doesn't include a built-in last online feature, but you can add it using the BetterBlocks browser extension. Open your browser, search for BetterBlocks, and install the extension from the official Chrome Web Store or your browser's extension store. Once it's installed, make sure the extension is enabled. Next, refresh the Roblox website. BetterBlocks will now add extra features to Roblox, including the ability to track a user's last online status. Open the profile of the friend or player you want to check and scroll through their profile. If BetterBlocks has recorded their activity, you'll see a last online timestamp displayed on the page. Keep in mind that this only works after BetterBlocks has been installed and enabled. The extension starts tracking users from that point onward, so it can't show activity from before you installed it. As your friends log in and later go offline, BetterBlocks will update their last online status, allowing you to see when they were last active the next time you visit their profile. That's all for this video. Thanks.